Oh, it smells so bad.
I need open minds. Ooh, wow.
Oh.
I think this is worse than the beaver. You're making me look bad with the freaking mouthwash, brother. Where are you going, Kyle?
Hey guys, sorry, I was washing my hands again.
You know when people clean horse hooves and they take that caked manure out of the bottom of the hoof? That is what I taste.
And then you marinate it in the sludge of a garbage truck.
Let's move on to these beautiful, tasty empanadas.
These actually look
They
good.
look great.
They look incredible.
It actually just smells like trash.
We're doing, everyone take a nice big bite. Ready?
Wait for it.
Oh, wow. The initial crunch, the texture, the flavor was so amazing, and then it hits you.
I had such high hopes because that first bite, you get the onions, you get the peppers, it's a little juicy, and then it's like, boom, poop.
Like a spoonful of manure from the farm. That's an F.
That's just beyond F. We might even need to
That's a Z.
I think I need to take a shower or something. Ugh. Well, we've finally made it to a brisket that I'm actually excited to cook. We got elk.